All you need to know about the APT19 hacking group. APT19 is a Chinese-based threat group that has targeted a variety of industries, including defense, finance, energy, pharmaceutical, telecommunications, high-tech, education, manufacturing, and legal services. In 2017, a phishing campaign was used to target 7 law and investment firms. Some analysts track APT19 and Deep Panda as the same group, but it is unclear from open source information if the groups are the same. The hacking group is associated with the following hacking groups: Codoso, C0D0SO0, Codoso Team, Sunshop Group. Subscribe to the CyberWarzone channel for more news, tips, tricks and downloads. Please, use the comment section for any questions, feedback or video requests.